Rising high above Rio de Janeiro, arms outstretched to the heavens, stands one of the most iconic statues on Earth, Christ the Redeemer. But did you know this world-famous monument almost didn't happen? The idea for a religious statue atop Mount Corcovado dates back to the 1850s, but it wasn't until the 1920s, after Brazil's separation of church and state, that a group of locals reignited the dream. Despite political resistance, public donations poured in and construction began in 1926. Standing 98 feet tall, not including its massive 26-foot pedestal, this Art Deco masterpiece is built of reinforced concrete and covered in thousands of hand-laid soapstone tiles. Workers used their own hands to press each tile into place. Many wrote loved ones' names on the back, permanently embedding their memory into the statue. It took 5 years to complete, but it wasn't just an architectural feat. It was an act of devotion, an emblem of peace, hope, and unity overlooking a city of contrasts, from the favelas below to the sweeping beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. Each year, over 2 million people make the pilgrimage to this sacred peak. Some come for the views, others for faith, and many just to feel something bigger than themselves. But here's what most visitors miss. The statue is constantly under threat, from lightning, erosion, and even vandals. Yet each time it's struck, Brazil rebuilds it. Why? Because Christ the Redeemer isn't just a statue. It's a symbol of resilience, of beauty, of belief. If you ever stand beneath those towering arms, you'll feel it, the weight of history and the lightness of awe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other stories from around the world, from ancient cities to modern wonders. Subscribe to Mandovids for more cinematic travel moments, one adventure at a time.